Okay, so yesterday we made a heart map about things things that you loved inside of your heart or that made you happy, and then things that you don't like on the outside. I told you yesterday that I am going to pick my cat Gwen to write about. So this is something new that I haven't shared with you guys, so that's why I'm going to choose that. I'm going to go to a new page. Name's going to go at the top. I am going to put the date. Tuesday's date is 4/28/20. My marker is not doing so hot, so I'm going to switch. And then I'm just going to make my little plan just like we always do. So in my beginning, I'm going to tell you what is my story going to be about. It's going to be about Gwen. She is my cat. Okay? In my middle, remember we are writing about something about your heart. So I'm going to tell you that we are moving to a new house and we decided to bring Gwen with us. I'm just going to write bring.
No, we can't.
Remember, when you make a plan, it doesn't have to be sentences. It just has to be short little words to help you remember what you're going to write about. Okay? My next middle was about what actually happened when we got here. So I'm going to say that Gwen got lost. She actually clawed through the screen. So I'm just going to write screen. She wanted to be outside because she is an outside cat, and I was trying to make her be an inside cat, which probably wasn't the best idea now that I'm thinking about it. But she did claw her way through the screen, so that's why she went out the screen, because she wanted to be outside. And then my end is going to be just, how is my heart feeling about it? Jax, how's your heart feeling about Gwen? Bad? What's a better word that we could say for bad? Are you sad?
Yeah.
Are you disappointed?
Yeah.
Are you upset?
Yeah.
Are you worried?
No.
I'm a little bit worried. I'm worried that she isn't going to find a new owner. I'm worried that she's hungry. I'm worried that she's trying to find her way back home and that she feels lost. So I'm going to write worried. I'm feeling a little bit worried about her. But I also know that Gwen lives outside. She was born outside. She likes to be outside. So I know that she probably is okay, because that's where she wanted to be, and that's where she knows how to be. She goes to the bathroom outside. She always brings us birds that she caught. So I know that she can catch things and eat things, and I know that she'll be okay. So I'm just going to write okay. Even though I'm worried about her, I bet Gwen is very, very happy to be back outside. That's where she wanted to be anyways. Okay? So I don't have enough time to write my story, but I want you guys to make your plan, and then over the next few days, however long it takes you, remember you can have all the way until the last day of school to send this to me. Okay? So don't rush through it if you don't want to. But you're going to start your story with your beginning. You're going to go through each paragraph of your middles and then your end. Don't forget that you need capitals to start sentences. You need spaces in between your words. It needs to be neat, so I can read it like neat on the lines, and your letters need to be neat so that I can read them. Details is my favorite word in writing, right, guys? Details. So you should probably have, look, I have 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 details for each of my parts of my story. And then punctuation, which is at the end of sentences. And you could try to use periods, which I know you guys already know. Exclamation points. You could use quotation marks to show me that somebody said something. You could use onomatopoeias. I know that if my story is about a cat, I could say that she was meowing. I could say that she was scratching at the screen door to get out. So that's a noise that I could add to my story. You could use commas. If I wanted to tell you what Gwen looked like, I could say that she has black, comma, white, comma, and soft fur. Okay, so that's how you separate different ideas. So remember, these are all things that we've already learned. You can definitely add those into your story. Okay, so I can't wait to read your story about something that makes your heart happy or heart sad. If you want to write a story that you don't want me to see because it's personal, that is fine too. You can show it to your parents, or even if you don't want to, just send me a little note and say, Miss Guider, I wrote this letter, but I'm going to keep it private. Okay, and I will be just fine with that. Okay? Have fun writing, guys.